15 Pro Tips for Helping Your Pet Feel Safe During Your Move to a New Home. This is the second video in our series on making your move to a new home as safe and comfortable as you can for your furry family members. In the first video, we explained the most important thing you can do to ensure your pets handle the move with as little stress as possible. It's to take care of yourself as much as you can during a big move. But we didn't talk about the usual things people do to take care of themselves, like eating healthy, exercising, and relaxing. All great habits, by the way. Instead, the most important way to take care of yourself is to tend to the thoughts that are running through your mind. Because that, above all else, is the cause of a person's stress and worry at any time. You can watch the video by clicking the link in the description below. In this video, we'll talk all about your pets and get into the practical things you can do to make sure they are as stress and worry-free as you can help them be during the move. Number 1. Stock up on your pet's regular food and favorite snacks. This isn't a concern if you're moving to a new home in the same area you're already in, or if you purchase your dog or cat food online. But if you purchase their food at a local market or pet shop, or if it's a brand that the stores run out of often, make sure to stock up before the move. The move to a new home is a big enough change for your pets. Keeping certain things in their lives as consistent as possible during this time, like their dog food, will help keep them feeling safe. Number 2. If your dog hasn't used his crate in a while, take it out weeks before the move and let him get familiar with it again. Put it in the living room, for instance, and keep the door to it open for your dog to go in and out as often as he pleases during the day. Put toys and snacks in it as well. Number 3. Make sure his favorite blanket is in his crate, especially when traveling to your new home. Now wouldn't be a good time to get her used to a new blanket. Instead, even if it's old, stained, and well-loved, have his blanket in the crate at all times to help him comfort himself during the move. Number 4. If your pet will be away from you during any length of time during the moving process, let him borrow unwashed t-shirts and sweatshirts of each family member. Have one in her crate, for instance, or in her bed to be comforted by your familiar scents. Number 5. If your dog or cat is petrified of car rides, a few times before the move, take him for a ride to their favorite park to associate rides with fun and rewards and not just trips to the veterinarian. Number 6. Make sure your pet's vaccinations are up to date and keep their health records handy. If you're traveling by plane, airlines usually need this documentation. Also, if your pet is on medication, make sure to refill it before the big move. Number 7. If you'll be driving a long distance to your new home and will be staying at hotels, check out bringfido.com to find pet-friendly hotels. Number 8. If you'll be traveling by plane, make sure to call the airline well in advance to confirm all the arrangements. For smaller pets, they might be able to be right under your seat in the pet carrier. Number 9. If your dog has to fly in the cargo section of the plane, we suggest you read the article in the description below to get all the facts and suggestions about keeping her safe during the flight. The website is preventativepet.com, and the article is What You Should Know About Flying with Dogs or Cats in a Plane's Cargo Hold. You can click right on the link in the description below. Number 10. Make sure all his toys, food, water bowls, litter box, and other items make their way to your new home right when your pet gets there. You don't want them packed away in a moving van only to arrive days later. Number 11. Once you arrive at your new home, create a special place for them right away to make them feel safe and comfortable. Put out their crate, food, water bowls, toys, familiar blankets, and family members' t-shirts and sweatshirts in the new area. Number 12. Take your pet around to all the new rooms in the home to show them around. Make this a special calming event with your pet so they get used to all the areas of your new home. Number 13. Also take them for a walk around your front and backyard and through the new neighborhood. Try not to rush this. Even though you'll have so much to do to unpack and settle into your new home, if you're rushed and stressed, they'll feel this and associate it with their new surroundings. Number 14. Keep routines the same as much as possible once you're in your new home. If you always go for a walk with your dog at the same time every day, for instance, keep this exact time now that you're in your new home. Keep their eating routines the same, bedtime, and any other habits like this as close to the way it was before the move as possible. Number 15. Give your furry family members extra attention and snuggles during the entire process before, during, and after the move. What else do pets want more than anything in the world, right? Being with you. With all you have to do right now, you might have to make a huge effort at times to stop and remind yourself of this fact. Not only will you be giving your pet the extra comfort they need right now, it's good for you too to slow down, relax, receive the affection your pet is so eager to give you. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos from us on all things real estate, just hit the subscribe button below and also click the bell icon to be notified every time we put out a new video.